the t-shirt. Kayla hurried through the park as fast as she could, trying not to spill the bucket of water in her wagon. "Can I carry something?" called a friendly voice. It was Gabriel. "Thanks," answered Kayla as she handed a bag to her friend. "Whoa, what's in there?" asked Gabriel, slinging the heavy bag over his shoulder. "That's all the paint that was left over after my brother's baseball team decorated shirts," Kayla explained. "Did you bring an old shirt to paint?" Gabriel nodded. "Yep, this is going to be so much fun." Jordan was already waiting at the treehouse when the kids arrived. "Check this out," he said, holding up a big white t-shirt. "My dad's old shirt comes down to my knees." "Good thing we have a lot of paint," laughed Gabriel. He dumped the bag upside down, spilling the neon fabrics, brushes, and spray paint bottles. Jordan picked up a bottle of green paint and read the label. "Mix 4 capfuls of paint into a 16-ounce bottle of water." "Oh, I've done this before," laughed Kayla. She already filled a spray bottle with water and was about to squirt in some turquoise paint. She didn't usually worry about details like measuring. "I really think we should measure that," said Jordan. Kayla noticed that Jordan looked a little worried. She knew that he did a lot of baking with his sister and that he was always very careful about following recipes. "Okay, measuring works too," she said, smiling and handing him the paint. "Would you do that part?" After all the paint and water had been measured and mixed, the kids sprayed their t-shirts on the grass. Gabriel picked up a bottle and sprayed bright orange paint across his shirt. "Wow, it looks like fireworks exploding," he exclaimed. "Boom, bang, pop!" Jordan squeezed a tube of magenta paint onto his shirt, going slowly and carefully so that he could make a perfect spiral design. Next to him, Gabriel held a bottle in each hand and shouting loudly as he sprayed the different colors. Crackle, pop, bang, boom! Jordan frowned at the noise and tried harder to concentrate on his spiral. "Watch out for the purple monster," Kayla suddenly hollered, waving her arms in the air. Her hands were dripping with shiny purple paint. "Oh no, the purple monster!" Gabriel shrieked. "Don't get your purple slime on me." Jordan sighed and slid his shirt farther away from his friends, trying not to smear his design. "You can't stop the purple monster," shouted Kayla as she chased Gabriel around the tree. Then she chased him around Jordan. Jordan stopped painting and crossed his arms. As Kayla stopped to catch her breath, she noticed Jordan sitting quietly by himself. "Did you finish your t-shirt?" she asked. "I wanted to put some more swirls on the bottom," Jordan answered, "but this isn't working for me. It's really loud and I'm afraid that someone is going to step on my shirt." "We were just having fun," said Gabriel. Then he looked at Jordan's unfinished shirt. "But I guess that's not fair if it made things hard for you. We should have been more considerate. We could compromise and play on the other side of the tree so we don't bother you," Kayla suggested. "That works for me," agreed her friends. While Jordan added more swirls to his shirt, Gabriel and Kayla played more quietly on the other side of the tree. After a while, they suddenly heard a noise from behind them. It was Jordan. He had finished his shirt and his hands were covered in slimy green paint. "Who thinks they can outrun the Green Goblin?" he shouted. The kids screamed and laughed as they ran from the monster. At the end of the afternoon, the t-shirts were dry enough to wear. They were as different as the kids who made them, but just like the kids, they all went together just fine. This is a story from Sanford Harmony.